Can you say inches? Can you say inches? Girl! Hey everyone, it's Tyra. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So, as you can tell from the title of this video, I will be straightening my hair for the first time in like over 2 years. Why? One, because I want to, and two, because I'm just done with my hair. Like, I'm done. I've had enough. I'm through. Like, I'm tired. I am so tired of my hair. I need a change. I'm just tired of doing it. I haven't straightened my hair in a long time, but you know, I feel like this is the right time to do it. So that's what I'm doing. I had my hair sectioned in 4 twists, and I'm putting it back in because I don't want my hair to tangle up. These are gonna be some sloppy twists, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Okay, that's as good as I'm gonna do, because I do not feel like twisting these things up when I'm just gonna take them down to blow dry. So like I was saying, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. It started off a hot mess. Y'all know I'm bad when it comes to my hair sometimes. Like, it was worse than my how to detangle dry matted natural hair. It was worse than that. But, you know, I did the whole routine and I was good. I went to the shower with about 12 twists in, and I shampooed my hair with a clarifying shampoo because you want to make sure your hair is real clean before you straighten it, because you don't want no product buildup. You don't want nothing. You want your hair to lay right. So you need a clarifying shampoo. And I used the one by Affirm. I like it. It did the job. It's a clarifying shampoo. Yeah. And then I followed up with the Moisturite conditioner, just to, you know, bring some moisture back into my hair. And then once I rinsed that out, I applied the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian deep conditioner, and I let that sit for about 3 hours because I was watching Netflix and I got caught up in my shows. So I'm about to blow dry my hair, and if you know me, you should know what I'm about to pull out. The Revlon One Step hair dryer, my favorite. If you don't have it, go get you one. So I'm not using any leave-in conditioner. I don't want my hair to be weighed down, and my hair is already well moisturized from deep conditioning. So I'm just gonna use this heat protectant by Silk Elements. Got it from Sally's. And I'm gonna just spray this all over. Whew. I'm hot. I need a break, but I'm not taking one. Ooh, child. My hair is feeling good. Oh my gosh, feels high-end, feels expensive, luxurious, like high credit score, everything you want in life. My hair feels like that. Oh my gosh, I can't stop touching it. Ooh. Yo, look at this ponytail. Like, do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. I haven't been feeling my hair for the longest time, but you know, I'm feeling it now. I'm really feeling it. So all of my hair is blow dry and it's feeling real good. Now it's time to straighten my hair. So the straightener that I'll be using is this Babyliss. I'm gonna say Babyliss Nano Titanium Pro Flat Iron. I believe this is a 1.5 inch. And yeah, we about to get the party started. Oh my gosh, I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. I don't know if this straightener goes up to 500 or 450, but I'm gonna just put it on 45. That might be 450. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I'm gonna put it on 45. So the method I'm gonna be using is the chase method. I'm just gonna use this rat tail comb out my hair, and then chase it with the flat iron. That boy feels silky. Okay, okay, okay. And chase. Heard you. Oh, I do the roots first, and then I go and chase it with the flat iron. Boom. And I'm only doing one pass because that's all I need. I don't see the reason in unnecessary heat doing 2-3 passes. Like, if you have a good flat iron and your hair is prepped the right way, you should just be able to do one pass. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to straighten my hair. Okay, I might have snapped. I might have did a little something because this hair, oh my gosh. My ends, surprisingly, they don't look that bad, but I'm still gonna trim them because they need just a little trim. So this is what the ends are looking like. Yes. Yes, inches. Inches. I want a cupcake. Got my cupcake. Just when I said I was gonna eat healthy, I'm eating a cupcake. Oh well. The flavor. Mmm. edges last. I'm not really too worried about them getting straight right now. I feel like that meme of the lady trying to straighten her hair, but she ain't getting it. That's it. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah. My hair is straight. I really did that. I'm just gonna take some of this Laminate spray by Affirm Care. I'm not gonna spray it directly on my hair because I don't want too much. I'm back. My camera battery died, but while I was away, I just had my hair clipped up and it was tied in a silk scarf. So it may have a few little waves in it from being clipped up, but I'm not gonna go back over it with the flat iron. This is what my hair is looking like. You can't even. I'm gonna move y'all back so y'all could get the full look. This is what my hair is looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep this set up because I don't feel like moving around again. But as you guys saw, my hair, my ends need a little trim. I forgot, I didn't even flat iron my edges yet. I need to do that. So I'm gonna just comb. I'm gonna brush them back because this comb ain't doing nothing with my thick hair. Ooh. Oh yeah, let me know if you guys like this background or if you guys prefer just a white wall, because I was gonna use this for when I do my fashion videos, but my hair videos were just gonna be on the plain white background. Okay, edges are done. And to just trim my ends a little bit, I'm just gonna use these Shears by The Main Choice. I like trimming my hair in my bathroom, so I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just dust the ends off a little bit. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. you have any questions, leave them down below. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like straight. For all the people that have been wanting me to straighten my hair is straight. There you go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, holla at y'all kids later. Bye.